Over 90% of motorcycles on the road today run either a four-stroke or a two-stroke engine, yet most riders barely scratch the surface of how they truly work. What separates them isn't just sound or speed, it's something far deeper, hidden inside the heart of how they live, breathe, and fight every mile. Today, we're breaking down the parts, the working, and the secrets behind these two iconic engines. And by the end, you'll see why knowing the difference changes everything you thought you knew about performance. So, start with the four-stroke engine overview. In a four-stroke engine, the piston performs four distinct movements: intake, compression, power, and exhaust. Like a perfectly timed dance that turns tiny explosions into smooth mechanical motion. But for every full cycle, the crankshaft has to spin twice, meaning power is generated only once every 2 revolutions. It's the reason why a four-stroke feels silky and stable, but also why it needs an entire supporting cast: valves, camshafts, timing chains, and a whole lot of engineering wizardry to keep everything synchronized to the millisecond. Valves slam open and shut with the help of a camshaft shaped like a twisted roller coaster, while a strong spring tries to slam them back into place. All of this madness just to breathe in air and breathe out fumes. How the four-stroke engine works. Inside the engine, every movement of the piston is part of a bigger plan. First, the intake stroke begins. The piston slides down, creating a low-pressure vacuum that pulls in a perfect mix of air and fuel through the open intake valve. Then comes compression. The piston charges back upward, squeezing the mixture tight into a highly flammable bundle. Just before the piston hits top dead center, the spark plug snaps to life, igniting the mixture in a controlled explosion that kicks off the power stroke. The piston is driven downward with force, spinning the crankshaft into motion. Finally, the exhaust stroke clears the battlefield. The piston rises again, pushing the burnt gases out through the open exhaust valve, resetting the chamber for the next cycle. 4 precise moves, 2 full crankshaft revolutions, 1 well-choreographed masterpiece happening thousands of times per minute. And it all has to be flawlessly timed, or the entire show falls apart. The two-stroke engine parts overview. This engine might look like it's missing half its bodywork compared to a four-stroke, but that's by design, and it's deadly efficient. Instead of a jungle of valves, cams, and chains, the two-stroke relies on clever ports carved directly into the cylinder walls. It still has the essentials: a piston, a longer piston skirt to cover and uncover those ports at just the right moments, a connecting rod, a crankshaft, and a crankcase that secretly doubles as part of the breathing system. In place of complex valve trains, a simple reed valve near the intake handles the one-way traffic of fresh air and fuel. No cams to time, no chains to snap, just pure mechanical hustle. And because it works with fewer moving parts, it's lighter, cheaper, and a whole lot angrier when you twist the throttle. How the two-stroke engine works. In this engine, everything happens faster, louder, and a little more recklessly. The piston starts at the top, fresh off a powerful combustion. As it blasts downward, it not only drives the crankshaft, but also starts clearing out burnt gases by uncovering the exhaust port. At the same time, the pressure under the piston squeezes a fresh air-fuel charge up through the transfer port and into the cylinder. Timing is everything. The incoming mixture shoves out the last of the exhaust gases, but a little bit of unburnt fuel always sneaks out too, one of the quirks of the two-stroke life. As the piston hits bottom dead center and then climbs back up, it seals off the ports, compresses the fresh charge above it, and draws another gulp of fuel and air below it, setting the stage for another explosive cycle. 1 revolution of the crankshaft, 1 furious power stroke, over and over again. It's a masterpiece of multitasking, where the price of speed is a little bit of chaos tucked inside every explosion. Differences between four-stroke and two-stroke. At first glance, both engines seem like cousins, but under the surface, they're playing 2 very different games. In a four-stroke, combustion happens once every 2 crankshaft revolutions, which means smoother power delivery, cleaner emissions, and much better fuel economy. It's heavier, packed with valves, camshafts, and timing systems, but it rewards you with longevity and refined performance. Meanwhile, the two-stroke fires every single revolution, delivering raw, aggressive bursts of power in a much smaller, lighter, and simpler package. It sacrifices efficiency, burns oil along with fuel, and wears itself down quicker. But what it loses in polish, it gains in pure, thrilling output. The four-stroke is a marathon runner, steady, disciplined, built to last. The two-stroke is a sprinter, wild, high-strung, and blisteringly fast, but it burns out just as quickly. Challenges in each design. In the four-stroke world, complexity is the constant enemy. More moving parts mean more chances for something to wear out, break, or fall out of sync. And when timing chains, valves, or camshafts get it wrong, repairs aren't just costly, they can be catastrophic. Add to that the natural friction and power loss caused by operating all that machinery, and it's clear why the four-stroke sacrifices a bit of efficiency for its long life. On the flip side, the two-stroke engine gambles with simplicity, with no valves and a combustion, but it bleeds unburnt fuel through the exhaust, burns oil with every cycle, and wears itself down at a brutal pace. Poor lubrication, higher operating temperatures, and constant pressure mean even the strongest two-stroke needs regular rebuilds just to stay in the fight. Which one should you choose? It's all about what kind of rider you want to be. If you want steady reliability, cleaner running, fewer repairs, and the kind of quiet strength that just keeps going mile after mile, the four-stroke is your lifelong partner. It's built to take the long road, and it rarely lets you down. But if you crave instant power, lightweight machines, and that raw, adrenaline-pumping kick every time you twist the throttle, the two-stroke has a wild side ready to meet yours. Each engine speaks a different language, one of endurance, the other of intensity. The right choice isn't on a spec sheet, it's in the way you want to move through the world. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment with which engine you'd ride with, and subscribe for more deep dives into the machines that move us.